Hey guys, this is the channel. So this is a Mitsubishi Montero. This is the model. So pull out the fuel filter. So first, open this one. Connection wire. Pull out. So this one they have a press like this. Okay. So they have a nut. This one. So now already pull out. So they have a nut. So like this. This one pull out. So now this is the fuel pump assembly. This one. Ito yung yung fuel pump. So palitan ng filter to. Ito siya. So ito yung bago. Ito yung part number. Yan, part number rin. So may lock siya. Ito yung lock. So palitan natin itong lock. Yan. So ito yung na-pull out ko na. Ito yung fuel pump strainer. So palitan natin itong mga bagong o-ring. Yan, ito yung fuel filter housing nya. So ito, unboxing. So ito yung bago. Yan. So kasama yung mga repair kit nya. Yan. Ito na yung bago. Yan, pinalitan ko na ng o-ring. Yan ito. So ito yung luma. Yan. Ito yung strainer, pump. Ito na yung filter. So yung housing. Yung housing. Now it's already finished. This is the old one. This is the new one.